Creating regex formula for document number recognition can be tricky, especially if you are not familiar with regex. That's why we enabled Copilot to help generate regex automatically in BunkFeed. Here is how it works. First, you need to find a line where in message to recipient field you can see an invoice number. It can be document number or external document number. Then go to this Copilot button and choose Generate Regex Formula with Copilot BunkFeed. Here is prepared text, so you only need to press Generate. After this, the regex formula will be created. You only need to enable the value here and press Keep it. After this, you need to choose additional information. First, you need to choose that it is invoice. In customer or vendor column, you need to choose if it is document number, then 6, or is it external document number, then 63. After entering this information, you can check if your regex formula works correctly. You can add it in test number pattern. So I just apply the text that I copied from my message to recipient field, and I can see what invoice number it generates. And that's it. You created a document recognition formula for your transactions.